Understanding Parade Lineup, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, parade lineup. This phrase is interesting and has specific uses, especially in events and celebrations. Let's dive into its meaning and usage to enhance your English vocabulary. Parade lineup refers to the ordered list of participants in a parade. It's not just a random assembly. There's a specific order to follow. The lineup often includes floats, bands, and various performers. It's essential in organizing large-scale public events like parades to ensure a smooth flow and an enjoyable experience for both participants and spectators. A well-organized parade lineup is crucial for seamless event management. It helps in timing, ensuring each participant knows when to start. Order, maintaining an organized sequence, often based on themes or categories. Safety, providing a structured approach to manage large crowds and prevent chaos. To understand better, let's look at some examples. The parade lineup this year includes an impressive float from the local fire department. As a participant, you need to check the parade lineup to know your position and timing. These examples show how the phrase is used in real-life situations. And that's a wrap on parade lineup. We hope this video has given you a clear understanding of the phrase and how it's used in English. Remember, learning a language is all about understanding such nuances. Keep practicing, and don't forget to check out our other videos for more English learning content. Happy learning, and see you next time!